You are most welcome to Samdarya School e-learning channel. Dear students, this is your social science book for class 5th. The book is written by Rajni Sharma and published by Spirit Publishing House. There are 15 chapters in this book and even 2 model test papers. So let us begin with the first chapter, the globe, a model of the earth. It is difficult to study the earth without seeing it completely. So, our scientist made a small model of the earth. It is called the globe. The place where we live on is called the earth. It is very big in size. We can see a very small part of it and therefore it looks flat. And that is why we use a globe to see the whole earth. We will describe about the globe and earth in this chapter. If I ask you about the surface of the earth, you all know the earth is covered with land and water. But you know, 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 is land. The place most covered with the land masses are called the continents, and the large water bodies are called the ocean. You can see continents and the oceans of the world. You know, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Remember, the 7 continents are the Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America, and South America, in which Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. The 5 main oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Now, what is a globe? A globe can represent the earth in a simple and accurate way. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size, and location of the continents and oceans on a globe. Hope you understood what is a globe. There are some limitations of a globe. A large globe is difficult to carry. Space is limited and details cannot be shown on a globe. It is not possible to make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one side of the earth can be seen at one time on the globe. Now we will discuss about latitudes. On a globe, lines of latitude are imaginary circles of different size. The longest line of latitude is called the equator at 0 degree latitude. See, in this way, the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. At the pole, the circle are like points. As lines of latitudes never meet, they are also called parallels. Remember, the important lines of latitudes are equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees south, North Pole at 90 degree north, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, South Pole at 90 degree south, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degree south, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. The lines of latitude are useful to us know the climate of an area. An area is located close to the equator. The climate will be very hot. This is called as the equatorial climate. Near the Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn, the climate is mild with warm summer and cold winter. This is called temperature climate. At the poles, the climate is very cold and is called polar climate. I think this is enough for today, and we will learn in the next video about the longitudes, earth grid, time zones, and also Indian Standard Time. So now today I have some homework for you. Now some questions I am giving to you. Write it in your copy and I will check after the lockdown. So the very first question, what do you mean by a globe? What do you mean by a globe? Then second question, where do the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn lie? Then third question, what are latitudes? What are latitudes? Do write the answers in your fair copy as it's going to be checked after the lockdown. Remember. Okay, thank you students.